everyone, today let's see this amazing property for sale by nestaway.com, India's most trusted real estate platform. It's just 800 meters from Guttigiri Main Road, Vijayashree Hospital, Meenakshi Mall, D-Mart are near to the property. All the essential needs are very close to the property for sale. This is a property for sale in Guttigere, Mahaganapati Nagar. It is a standalone building. It has both 2 and 3 BHKs. It has rainwater harvesting, 24/7 water supply, and power backup is also available. Today we'll see a 3 BHK for sale. This is the 2 and 4-wheeler covered parking. Generator is also available and it has 6 passenger lift which goes up to the 4th floor. Each floor has 2 2 BHKs and 1 3 BHK. Today let's see 3 BHK property for sale. These are the shoe racks for each individual flat and this is a common lift. This is a 3 BHK north facing with 1475 square feet. As we enter, we have an inverter for each individual flat and this is a living area combined with the dining. In this living area, we have this big UPVC door which gives good sunlight, and this living area is 23 feet 10 inch by 12 feet 3 inch in size. In the living area, we have this TV unit and a storage is also given. All the electrical fittings like tube light, fan are provided. This is the UPVC sliding door. It has a mesh door too. Here we have a balcony which is 4 feet in wide. All the windows and balcony have the safety grills. Now let's see this beautiful kitchen which is 10 feet 6 inch by 9 feet in size. It has lot of storage. It has an upper loft, mid loft and bottom storage is given. Kitchen has a big window which gives proper ventilation for the kitchen. Good color combination laminates are given. Granite countertop is also given. It has space for all the electronic appliances of the kitchen like mixie, grinder and steel sink is given, above which we have a provision for the RO water purifier. This is the window which has a safety grill that's given for the kitchen. We have this beautiful chimney for this kitchen. Beside the kitchen, it has an utility which can be used for cleaning utensils. Here we can have an dishwasher and washing machine can also be placed here. This is of 5 feet 6 inch by 8 feet 6 inch in size and has good ventilation. Even here we have all the tap connections and drain pipes are also provided. Being a corner flat, it has good ventilation and lighting throughout the day. Next to the kitchen, we have one bedroom and common washroom. This is the common washroom which is of 8 feet by 5 feet in size. It has all the sanitary fittings from Hindware and mirror is also given. It has a provision for the geyser and shower head is also provided. Let's see the bedroom. This is a bedroom which is 12 feet by 12 feet in size. It has an attached washroom and in this bedroom also we have fan and tube light. This is a wardrobe for storage. It has an upper loft too. These wardrobe have some open shelves and ample space is given for the storage. This is attached washroom of 5 feet by 8 feet in size and has all the sanitary fittings from Hindware. It has a provision for the geyser and shower head is also provided. Now let's see next 2 bedrooms. So this is the second bedroom of 10 feet 4 inch by 11 feet 9 inch in size. This is a bedroom which has an attached balcony and an attached washroom. This is an attached washroom which is 5 by 8 feet in size. Even in this washroom it has all the sanitary fittings and provision for the geyser is also given. Big size wardrobes are given for proper storage. Here we have a balcony which is 3 feet in wide, and this balcony has safety grille. Now let's see the third bedroom. So this is a third bedroom which is 12 by 11 feet in size. It has good ventilation, a big window with safety grille is given. In this bedroom also we have lot of storage space. So this is about this north facing 3 BHK with 1475 square feet and has 24 by 7 water supply and power backup, and 6 passenger lift is also provided. For any query about this beautiful property, do contact us through the below mentioned number.